Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is this very unique vehicle that is very rare to see. It's a Rolls Royce Ghost 2016. As you can see, very beautiful car, nicely wrapped in this nice chameleon color pink. So yeah, what we've installed on this vehicle is a Meta-Trak S5 Deadlock system. Now the way this system works, it immobilizes your vehicle if the tags is not present. Now the way this the problem you're going to have with these days is, because these modern cars, even this Rolls Royce, a very expensive car, still exactly like any other car out there, it still has the keyless features, and also can be easily stolen within 60 seconds by copying the key frequency or cloning the key through the OBD port. Now obviously we've done to combat this theft is by installing the Meta-Trak S5 Deadlock system. I'm going to show you how the system works. So let's say a thief clones your key, they get in your car, so they open the door, they get in. Now what's going to happen is, when they try to start the car, as you can see, I'm going to try and start the car will not start at all. So yeah, pretty much the vehicle is immobilized. So without those tags present, the special tags, the car will not start at all, as you can see. So I'm just going to bring you the tags now, and I'm going to show you starting. Okay, so now I got the tags with me. Without these tags, the vehicle will not be able to be started. So now that I got the tags, the vehicle will now start. So if I get in now, as you can see, now the car is on. You can hear that very powerful engine, beautiful sound. So yeah, if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a shout on 0208 554 5554, or even come visit us at Ganshill, Ilford, IG2 6QA 28 County Gardens. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos, guys.